Hey kids, today we have a cow shed for our cows, a couple of trees for shade, a farm barn for our farm animals, a rabbit hutch, a pond for any animals who need a drink, and a road for the tractor. Oh, who's in the back of the tractor? It's a farm cat. Farm cats are used on farms to help control rat and mice populations. This is to ensure the farmer's grain doesn't get contaminated. Meow! Oh, the tractor's here. Who's that in the back? It's a chicken and two roosters. It doesn't look like there's a chicken coop here. Let me go get some supplies. Okay, sounds great. I'm gonna go check out the farm. Yeah, me too. Here's a fence for the front of the chicken coop and a colourful roof. Do you like it, guys? Look at the chicken coop. I'll open it up. Oh, this is perfect. Thanks, Rooster. Yeah, this is great. Nice and cozy. Don't forget to close the gate. I'm glad you guys like it. Oh, the tractor's here. Who's that in the back? It's a pig. There's my two kids playing in the water. Hey, you two. Oh, hey, Mum. Hey, Mum. Glad you guys are having a good time. I'm going to hop into the barn for a quick sleep. I'll be here if you need anything. All right? All right, Mum. Okay, Mum. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, who's in the back of the tractor? It's a farm dog. And it looks like they've got two bunches of hay. I wonder if the cows would like any of this hay. Hey cows, would you like some hay? Yeah, we sure would. Bring it in. All right, there you go. All right, who should we give the other hay to? I know pigs also like to eat hay. Maybe I'll ask them. Hey pigs, do you want some hay? Yeah, sure, thanks. Oh, you're very welcome. Here you go. Oh, job done. Whoops. Don't forget to close the gate. Thanks for watching, kids. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!